already have that choice. All my members get free picks. All of my members get free lots of things, perks for everything. So when I'm remonetized, if you guys get my membership, you have a lot of awesome perks of being a member. That's Tuesday.
Maraming salamat sa LS support. Ayan, from Amazing Energetic Juice Washes. Eileen, thank you. Rickman, nag-play ako dito sa imuhang kuan ha.
At 9 p.m. Eastern
Highlights sa Rickman.
9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Puntahan ko na si Juice, baka magtusok ko sa kanya upcoming live. Baka meron siya upcoming live.
Choose your own adventure.
Ayan, meron siyang upcoming live Thursday.
And every Tuesday, choose your own adventure. Choose your own adventure. Choose your own adventure is where you choose what I do every Tuesday at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know what other times that is in your country or whatever, but Tuesdays
Whatever.
at
Yesterday.
3:30
Yeah.
Standard Time is
Yesterday you have also live. Random live. 20 minutes only.
Aside from my screencasts, I do not live stream. I just support other people. Or if I'm busy, I'm doing other things. I'm not.
Ayan guys, thank you so much Sis Joy. Thank you so much. James Salem, thank you. Sis Joy, maraming salamat sa mga alagad yung patusok. Sir Empowerment, aka Kafel on Farming, thank you so much. Yes, random live. Yes, I will watch that one replay, okay, 20 minutes for Adi the WH. Okay, so amazing, Joshua. Travel channel down to you. Friend from the amazing energetic Joshua. Haru-haru. Ayan, nalit na si Sir Haru-haru. Mag-i-end na ako, Sir Haru-haru. Puntahan na lang kita after na aking live. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Alive, Mix Vlog, thank you. Ma'am Hinopa, thank you so much. Sir Jindoy, ayan, puntahan na lang kita, Sir Jindoy, ha. Sis Travel Channel, thank you. Sis Ogang, Sis Eileen Store Mix Vlog, thank you so much. Tanda Shaju, and love our Pops Toys, love our Toys Pops Store, ayan. Sis Eileen, thank you. Sir Lakay, thank you so much, Sir Lakay. Sir EOK, thank you. Sis Travel Channel, thank you so much. Alive, ayan, si Ma'am Kapitbahay Isi kanina, siya yung una, pero saglit lang siya, umalis agad. Then sa Mera Chugtas Backyard Garden, ayan, salamat, dito siya kanina. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys. Ayan, follows na ako kay The Amazing Josh. Follows na ako, Josh. Second video, Josh. Nagbakas na ako dito. Nagbakas na ako dito kay Josh. 7 minutes. 06, Joshua. The Amazing Joshua. Ayan, guys. He is very supportive as well, Joshua. And nice person. Ayan. Thank you so much, Chris. Crisel. Ayan, salamat, Sisi. Hi, Josh from Crystal Channel. Si ano to? The sister of your girlfriend. Ayan, Crystal. The Grace Channel 1. Siya po yan. Alagad. The Amazing Joshua. Guys, mag-end ako ha. Just 1 hour always my live stream. Ayan, thank you for your support and love for my channel. And also to my second channel, Greasy Mom. I really appreciate po talaga sa inyong mga effort. Kahit busy tayo, ayan, di ba? Mga busy talaga tayo, guys. Lahat tayo may mga ginagawa. Everybody we always busy for our own life, right? Every day. But we still here, you still here showing your support. And that's why I'm so thankful and really appreciated for that. Thank you so much. God bless us all, guys, and take care. Be safe driving, okay? Done full watch 2 videos, energetic Joshua, and done likes to your upcoming live. The Amazing Energetic. Hopefully, guys, you can join the live stream of Joshua, the Amazing Energetic Joshua. Okay, afternoon, Pinas time, he always do live stream, screencast. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan, maraming salamat po. That's